has redesigned products to use fewer materials and to last longer.
It's not durable.
Eso no dura ni 2 mudanzas.
We are trying to think a little different.
You can buy our Mika desk, or you could buy Jessa's desk, buy our Kivik sofa, or you could buy Jack's sofa. You can buy our Calyx shelving unit, or you could buy Anna's shelving unit. Ready for another chapter.
IKEA is launching IKEA Pre-Owned.
IKEA Pre-Owned allows customers to buy and sell used IKEA furniture directly from each other.
Imagine a place where you can easily buy and sell used IKEA furniture.
It's a smart move by the retail giant.
I love this idea.
The platform IKEA Pre-Owned lets users list their furniture with photos and a price and the actual listings.
Todo el mundo se merece una segunda oportunidad.
Pues me parece la opción más inteligente.
Y esta es la mesa LAC de Sandra, que vale 10 euros en IKEA Pre-Owned.
You can choose to get paid or opt for a bonus voucher from IKEA.
It's making IKEA furniture even more accessible.
A massive, massive driver for people to participate in this program.
Is set to take on giants like eBay and Craigslist.
IKEA continues its digital evolution, reflecting the company's challenger attitude. I really thought that IKEA furniture could not have a second life.
I guess they're trying to say that our furniture is premium.
It aligns with IKEA's sustainability goals by keeping furniture out of landfills. It's good for homeowners, it's good for IKEA, and it's good for the planet.